I have a good news today. We have a product called JuiceNotes. We introduced JuiceNotes for CFA level 1 and CFA level 2 about a couple of years ago. And it's extremely popular. People love it. Those who've used JuiceNotes, they kind of get, almost addicted to it because it kind of really makes your life easier. So what JuiceNotes are is essentially it's a summarized graphical colorful version of the curriculum. Now we introduced this for CFA level 1, level 2. As of now we are working on CFA level 3, so hopefully maybe in another year we'll be able to launch it. About a year ago we thought, okay, can we do this for FRM part 1 as well? And we started working and we realized how difficult it was to build JuiceNotes for FRM. Primarily because it does not have a very well-defined curriculum, right? There are different authors with different writing style. So we originally thought we'll be able to do them in 3 months, but it took us almost a year. But today I'm extremely happy to announce the launch of FRM Part 1 JuiceNotes. Now, these notes are going to be helpful in 2 aspects of your entire learning curve. One, at the time of learning. So what I recommend is when you're learning a new concept, keep JuiceNotes in front of you, and then whatever notes you need to make, whatever additions you need to make to JuiceNotes, do that with the help of post-its. And most importantly, a day before the exam, when you need to revise the curriculum, you'd be able to revise entire FRM Part 1 curriculum in less than 150 pages with the help of these JuiceNotes, right? So I have a sample on my screen, so I'm going to give you a glimpse of how we built them. So which reading is this? This is, I think, your basic statistics, the initial reading. So if you'd observe, we've mapped them to learning outcomes, so it's easier to refer to them. And everything is converted into nice graphical format. So these are not long sentences. These are just flowcharts and graphs, most of the cases. So these are all your formulas, and they're very colorful. You should feel like I'm reading my school books again. That's the whole idea with the JuiceNotes. So we have measures of dispersion, and you can look at all the graphs, and that's the whole idea, to make them colorful, to make them graphical, to make them easy and fun to read. I think we've done a good job, but of course I love to hear your feedback. So I'll be putting a sample file in the description. You can download and get a feel for yourself. I hope that you guys like the product, and I would love to hear a feedback from you. Thank you very much.